See what's happening this morning, the WBZ Weather Bug Network, and go to the three high schools here. Three high schools. Let's go to Mansfield High School. It's 32 this morning. Let's go to Ken Phillip Regional High School down in Rentham this morning. It's 30. Down in the Cape, a little bit milder at Mashpee High School. It's 39 there this morning. The 24-hour temperature change, it's quite a bit colder this morning than it was at this time yesterday morning. We were pretty mild. In fact, the high temperatures for the day yesterday happened in the early morning hours just after midnight. We're down 15 degrees from what we were at this time yesterday morning. So it's a cold start to this day. We've had colder mornings, but this is cold enough. The ocean temperature out there is 50 degrees. The air temperatures around Boston right around 34 or so in most spots. But the wind is blowing some. It's chilling the air. We don't have any strong wind gusts, but just enough to make it feel mostly like in the 20s here, feeling like 24 in Boston right now. In the afternoon highs, right around 2:30 this afternoon, will be right around 44 in Boston and Rockport, 43 in Bedford and Lawrence, 45 in Norwood, 46 in Taunton, and mid-40s down over the Cape from New Bedford to Hyannis, 46 or 47. They're colder off to the north and west. But it's amazing just how warm most of the country is, especially in the plain states. We got a lot of 70s here. We're not going to have any warmth like this, but we should have the 50s coming back to New England on Wednesday as high pressure really is dominating the weather map. We got this one little tiny weather feature coming down over us this morning and producing a changeable sky of clouds and sunshine with patches of snow showers across the northern mountains, which may accumulate a few inches over favorable upslope locations in the next 12 to 24 hours up there. Saw my first snowflakes of the morning this morning of the year coming in this morning as there were a patch of snow showers which went across northern Massachusetts. Now looking at patches of clouds, but for the most part the sunshine will win out today. So there's the WBZ Faneuil Hall Holiday Spectacular again tomorrow night. You can see it right here on WBZ at 7:30 or be there in person to have a nice evening around 40 degrees, mainly clear, a bit breezy. And then during the night, as I mentioned, the temperature may actually go up a few degrees, and that supports a very mild start on Wednesday morning and a nice warm day up to 56 to 58, much like we had a couple days ago. And it looks like a chance of rain here on Friday, but still no storms in sight. But